Okay, so I'm streaming. Just check the sound quality.
Gotcha. Like it's live already?
Yeah, it's live.
Should take a little bit. Nope, to peer out and see shit right now.
There's gotta be a better way to check to check the quality and all of that.
For real.
Actually, I'll leave this here.
It's just the fucking...
And then top chat, live chat. How do I pop out the chat? Pop up chat. There you go.
Oh, there it is. Oh, that's a cool thumbnail.
You seen it?
Yeah.
Pretty cool, right?
Yeah, it's fucking dope.
Oh, I forgot the music. That's what I'm missing. Let me put the music on. Oh, what? Okay. Hold on.
Roll sound. Okay, I can hear the music now.
Can you hear it?
Yep.
Can you hear yourself? And can you hear me? Or is the music too loud?
Hold on. What? I mean, the music's loud as hell,
Is it
but
loud?
when I put it at full volume, yeah. But it's like the timer's going on, so.
How about now? Can you hear me over the music? Is it better? Yeah? Alright, you speak. Make sure you could hear yourself.
No, yeah, I can hear myself.
Yeah?
Yep. Yeah, way too fucking loud.
What, the music? Or you?
Me, me.
I don't even hear the music anymore. There you go.
God damn.
Is the music better? I couldn't hear the music. But now is it good now? The music with my voice?
Okay.
Yeah? Is it not too loud?
Just a little bit more, a little bit, like bájale un poquito más, like two or little three more notches.
How about there? Can you hear me clear?
Huh? ¿Le bajaste?
Yeah, I lowered the volume. I can't hear it anymore.
Okay. You can't hear this?
I can't hear the music anymore. I don't know if you can on the stream.
Yeah, I
Can
can hear this bear.
Yeah? But it's not like too low or too high.
Oh shit.
What? What happened?
I'm trying to hear. It's because I get confused because like when we're talking and then I hear the voice the other
Oh,
time.
okay. So I'll be quiet.
Yeah. That's good.
Yeah.
That's good. I can still hear the music, but it's not like overwhelming. Like you can still hear it, and you hear our voice. Like when we talk, you can hear the voice more. But my volume on my fucking microphone is high as fuck.
No. I hear you fine. Like it's nice on my end, but on the stream end, I don't know.
Yeah. You don't my voice doesn't sound loud as fuck.
Not through me. Like it sounds good on my end,
Yeah.
but on the stream end, I'm not sure.
I guess they can just not have it full volume. Maybe have it at half volume. My voice won't sound so loud.
So,
Gross fuck.
so the timer says 7 minutes. Should I just start it?
Whatever, dude. Start it whenever you want.
It's not like we don't have anybody waiting on us, you know?
You can.
Everything good?
You want me to keep checking?
No. So have you kept up with Solana though?
What?
Have you kept up with Solana?
No.
Oh, I got some good news for you.
What? Nah, yeah.
Yeah, you'll see it. Oh, let me make this let me make this thing big.
Let me know when you start it.
Well, we're live. I'm just waiting for the countdown.
So I mean, we can go over some shit. I guess it's not like anybody's here right now. Anyway.
Well, I already got everything down. Like I went over the Twitter thing. I got like all the
Okay,
topics.
So scratch the fucking uni shit. I double checked it again.
Fake.
Nah, no, like they have an official, like the website has its verified website. Like they're using the same website from CoinGecko. Both of them, you know how they have like the regular website and then they have like the white paper website. They're both .org. They have both of them, but it's different because it's not the same.
I
And
wonder if Orca Swap and Radium are gonna have an airdrop. Because that's on the Solana network.
You know what? That's what I should do for next week. I should just try to look for shit that they can do for like drops.
Or airdrops.
Yeah. We should do it. I should like look some research for that shit. You fucking delete that. Yeah, dude. I mean, most of the news was just fucking
War.
SBF getting SBF getting found guilty on all 7 counts of fraud. But that's the shitty thing is like the government said no hice nada. This dude did everything, but we still got like millions of dollars, and they have the names of the people that got money. But you know, they're just using him as a scapegoat. Was he really gonna go to jail? Probably not. Probably gonna be chilling, bro.
I know the SEC is targeting Bitcoin Magazine.
What?
Yeah, they're suing Bitcoin Magazine.
What the fuck? Why?
I forgot why. Cause something about the Fed now, the CBDC that the U.S. is trying to do.
Yeah.
Bitcoin Magazine was talking about it, and I guess the SEC didn't like that, so they're trying to shut them out.
Shit.
Shut them out.
Now that you mentioned, I was gonna do something on the. I was gonna make an account. The fuck. Then
Make an account for what?
That's what I was cancel. I was going to do. Estaba haciendo. Oh, it's on this. Estaba haciendo un. The fuck? Okay. No, this is the wrong one. It was an account, like a crypto account. But.
Crypto.com account?
No. It's called eToro.
eToro?
Mm-hmm.
But I don't think you could withdraw your coins from there.
Nah, I mean, you can't withdraw shit. Well, no, but I was making one because
I don't use it.
Because I was gonna sign in as a Mexico name or Mexican. I was gonna sign in as a Mexican. No, es que I can sign up with con mi pasaporte.
Because I think you could do that with Binance too.
Oh shit, for real?
Yeah, but you're gonna have to use a VPN.
Why don't you do that shit with Binance and instead? I forgot which fucking coin. I had everything open, pero se cerró la pinche cosa. I had everything open because I forgot what I was gonna do.
I'm not sure if you could do what's that other one? Femix. I think you could make a Femix account and you could use a card there. I'm not entirely sure.
I mean,
If you go to CoinGecko, they'll give you a list of exchanges that you could sign into.
How do you make this dark move? There we go. Dark move. Oh, how long is it? 130. Okay.
Well, I'm not signed into CoinGecko.
Dogecoin, Polkadot, Shiba. This one. Twitter.
You ready? You ready? You ready? Not ready.
There's that fucking. You see that shit? They're gonna try to borrow like almost $1 billion more.
I haven't seen that actually. It's an article you posted, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Welcome to Over the Counter Crypto. We are your hosts. My name is Eric.
Now Lalo.
Alright, so today we're gonna be covering what the hell is Solana doing? What Solana has in plan? What's going on with Monero? Is Monero trustworthy now? We got a little bit of advice from Robert Kiyosaki.
Okay.
We got some Star Atlas news. Dude, it's dope, dude. You gotta see that Star Atlas news. It's gonna be dope.
Okay.
And then some other minor news out there. Well, big news, right? But
Right.
I'm more interested in the Star Atlas thing, to tell you the truth.
Okay.
Alright, so let's go with the Crypto Fear and Greed Index.
All right.
We are greedy.
Stream.
So don't take out loans at this moment to buy crypto. Don't get stupid. Don't put in big amount of money because it's a big possibility that it could crash. You remember, buy when people are fearful and sell when people are greedy. So we could make money at this point, but it's right now is a risky moment. Bitcoin halving. You guys have 164 days, 4 hours, 9 minutes, and 30 seconds to buy some Bitcoin.
Oh shit. I mean, I bought some.
Yeah.
Hey, look, if there's a really simple way to buy it, if you don't really want to do all that, you're from the US, buy it on PayPal. I don't recommend it. Suggest you do the harder, make an account on a crypto exchange. But the simplest way, without doing any other hassle, you can buy some in PayPal.
PayPal? Yeah, but it's better if you own the keys though. You withdraw it from the exchange.
That's true.
Remember, not your. What is it? What was that saying? Not your keys, not your Bitcoin. If you let PayPal hold your coins, they're technically not your coins. It's an IOU. But it's the easiest way to get started. I think on Cash App you could buy Bitcoin on Cash App too.
I mean,
So it's just the simple ways. Robinhood. You could buy it on Robinhood too.
Yeah.
Alright. So a little bit of analysis. If you could understand my mess. Yeah, this is so messy. I think I should start a new one.
Jesus.
Yeah, my bad, you guys. I need to clean it up. All right. So this line right here is, man, this is such a big mess. Okay, so this line right here is telling us that we're on an uptrend. This line right here. Let me delete some of these lines. Delete this one.
You want to pull up the stream for me so I can see what you're doing?
Oh yeah, my bad.
Cause it's I was not gonna say anything because I can see it like on the stream, but it's like 2-3 seconds late.
Over here. There you go.
There you go.
So right now I'm in the process of clearing all this mess. So that way it's easier to follow what I'm talking about. Okay. So now you should be able to see this green diagonal line. So this is telling us we're at a bullish or an uptrend, bullish trend, uptrend. So until we break this, we could expect to keep going higher. So it's a possibility from here, since we're greedy, we could come crashing down to like $30,000 because we are at a greedy level, and this yellow line is a big resistance level. So we might crash here. So if we do, we could expect to see Bitcoin at $30,000 again. But so far it seems to be holding. It seems to be holding. Oh, and I did make a trade. I bought it right here. And I think I got stopped out. No, I bought it right here. And I missed it. Yeah. So yeah, if we can't hold this line, if we can hold above 34,000, we could probably see a retracement to $30,000. And pretty much what's going on right now, it's all hype because of the whole Bitcoin ETF. So with the Bitcoin ETF, it's gonna allow institutions to start buying Bitcoin, and we could probably see it on funds, on ETFs, different ETFs, on the 401ks and stuff like that. If the Bitcoin ETF gets approved. And right now it's just all rumors, and there's a lot of hype around it because we've been trying to have a Bitcoin ETF since 2017.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the whole hype that's going on right now. So
what did it go up for, like $4,000 from last week? It's like at 34. Damn, almost 35.
From last week?
Yeah, last week it was like what, 30,000? That it broke?
Yeah, there was a big spike on October 30th. It went from 29,000 and it went all the way up to 35,000, and then it retraced back to 33,000. That was all in October 23rd. And then 23rd. We just slowly went up. And right now we're like at this crucial level where we could hit back down again. We could retrace, because usually this is a big demand zone. So we might come down, test it again, and then keep going higher. It's a possibility. As long as we don't pass this green line that's right here, diagonal green line. So right now this green line would be 25,000. As long as we don't go lower than 25,000, we're still at an uptrend. We're still bullish. A bullish trend. We're bullish at the moment. As long as it doesn't drop below 25,000, we're good. So it doesn't matter how much Bitcoin retraces. We will be good unless it drops down below $25,000. So now there's Lalo, do you know what Monero is?
I've heard of it, but I don't know much at all.
So what Monero is, it is a privacy coin. So we could make transactions, and our transactions can't be traced. So with Bitcoin, if you find, like, I have my address, and everybody could trace my address. They won't know who the owner is, but they would know who the origin of the transactions. You could just follow where the money goes with Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's traceable. But with Monero, it was meant for privacy. That was the whole reason behind Monero. It's a privacy coin.
Okay.
So what happened here is we got this company called Moonstone. So here's how this whole thing happened. So there were hackers that stole $2,675,000, or no, coins. They stole 2,675 Moneros, which was worth over 3 million at the time. So we got this research, Moonstone Research. It's a blockchain analysis. It says they traced 3 of those transactions. So now it comes into question. Monero privacy challenged in the Monero CCS wallet trace. So now it turns out that there are certain instances where Monero transactions can be traced. So can we rely on this coin being a privacy coin? You know? Like, that's the whole reason Monero was invented, for privacy, so things won't be traced. So now we got this, that it was partially, it's not fully traced, right? So I got some highlights here.
But they were able to trace some people.
So they were able to trace certain parts of the hackers. Here it is. While Monero transactions are designed to be private, this transactions rings contain one matching output from each of the 9 hacked transactions. Moonstone believes this indicates the transaction almost certainly belongs to the hacker merging funds. So they're not 100% sure, but they believe they might have found one of the hackers. So here it is. Monero transaction purposely imposes complexity to their transaction graphs, leading to false positives and ambiguity. Monero transactions can sometimes be partially traced despite their privacy feature. Still, limitations to analyze Monero complex blockchain. So they're still saying that it's still, they're only able to trace it partially, and it's not gonna be 100%. But it does kind of put a dent in the whole, this is a privacy coin, you know? And then we got this guy saying, Semen shares his perspective about Moonstone's study as well, and stressed that the specific tracing scenario doesn't apply to the typical Monero user. He insists Monero remains inherently private and resistant to most tracking attempts. He explains that the ability to trace results from unusual circumstances. Private keys were shared with a chain surveillance company. So yeah, so that's what's going on with Monero. It kind of makes you want to lose trust in them. Because I was actually mining Monero.
What?
Just to secure the...
No. Like, on what were you mining?
On the laptop that you have. I was using that laptop to mine Monero.
Oh, what the fuck? That's raw stuff.
Yeah. So yeah, so I don't know. I don't know about this blockchain anymore. I used to like it, but with this, like, I might as well stick with Bitcoin. I don't know. I don't know.
Yeah, good old reliable Bitcoin.
Oh, here's this other one saying, so this analyst is saying that the reason why Bitcoin stalled at $35,000 is because people are selling their Bitcoins to buy altcoins. So they're saying right now that the biggest gainers are anything dealing with DeFi. So you got Uniswap, SushiSwap, and Aave. Like right now, though, these are the biggest gainers. People are selling their bitcoins to buy DeFi coins. Yeah, I personally like Aave, so I could actually see why. So it could be the reason why we're not going anywhere. It's just staying at 35. But I also see with the whole psychology of the market, we're greedy. So people are gonna start selling. Well, we got this one. Central banks are buying more gold. So if they value their paper money and they're always printing it and they're trying to say that it is the best, why are they buying gold? Why are they buying gold? You know?
Especially with the war right now.
Yeah. Cash is trash? What was that the saying? I forgot what the saying was.
No, dude, that one, I mean, we can go with that.
Cash is trash.
At this point, yeah. I mean, especially right now, the US dollar is super bad.
I like Robert Kiyosaki. I actually read his book, and here's one of his lessons. It says, "The rich don't work for money." Kiyosaki explains why. Because our wealth is designed to be stolen from our fake money via taxes and inflation and the stock market. He elaborates, instead, the rich work for assets that put tax-free money in their pockets. Cash flow assets such as rental properties, oil, food production. He further detailed, and rather than save fake dollars, the rich save gold, silver, and Bitcoin. The renowned author stressed. Kiyosaki also explains why the poor and the middle class get poorer. He described the poor and the middle class want jobs that promise a steady paycheck but offer no job security. Even worse, the poor and the middle class work at jobs that pay taxable fake dollar income, he added, and then they save fake dollars or fake money, then invest in the stock, bond, mutual fund, and ETFs, which are crashing as I write this text. So that's why the rich get richer and the poor get poorer, according to that. It's a good book. I recommend it. Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Pretty good book. And he's also saying that right here, he believes Bitcoin's gonna go to $135,000.
I mean,
and gold could rise to 5,000.
Does he say like in how long, or like does he have a timetable for when it will happen? Back notice. No, right?
He says if there's a global economic crisis, he says Bitcoin could surge to $1 million a coin, gold could reach up to $75,000, and silver could go to $60,000 in February.
Hey.
Okay, in February, he projected that the price BTC would reach $500,000 by 2025.
Okay, so 2 years. Let's go. 60,000 for silver. Finally.
No, he's saying 60,000 for silver. No, but that's if there's a global economic crisis. But he's predicting by February of 2025, Bitcoin will be worth $500,000. One coin. One coin, so, $500,000.
Yeah, the world might be fucked up, but you're gonna be making some bank on silver.
Hey, silver's $20 right now an ounce.
Damn silver.
Well, here's this thing that Bitcoin Magazine posted.
I mean, wow, dude. Just
the buying power of the dollar over time since 1913.
100 years. Pretty much 100 years, no?
Yep.
Just old, a little bit over.
Yeah, it has lost 97% of its value.
Unbelievable.
Yeah, back then I think you could buy like a cheeseburger for, was it 5 cents or something like that?
I mean, well, way back then. I mean, back in the days when we were kids, probably what is it like, $1?
Yeah,
99 cents.
when we were kids, it was $1. No, it was 50 cents when we were kids.
No, those were the Halloween stuff.
Yeah,
like
it was
49
$1,
cents.
and when we were kids. But back like in like our grandparents, when they were before that, a cheeseburger was like 5 cents.
That's insane.
Like our grandparents' parents, our great grandparents, the cheeseburger was like 5 cents. And there's just, they printed so much that it's lost 97% of its value. So if you were rich back then and you saved your money in dollars, you lost it all. You lost 97% of your money through inflation. And it's gonna keep happening. Look at Argentina, look at Zimbabwe.
It just took it didn't even try to fix itself. It just kept going down. Damn.
Yeah. I saw this article you sent me to the Safemoon. I gotta send this one to check it. He's the one that showed me this coin. Safemoon. I wasn't even aware of this coin. It says U.S. government has formally arrested the founders of Safemoon crypto token, John and Kyle and Thomas. They were charged for multi-million-dollar international fraud scheme. The U.S. government has officially arrested the founders of the Safemoon crypto token, according to the statement from the U.S. Attorney's Office. That executives had orchestrated a massive fraud scheme that misappropriated millions of dollars of investor funds for personal use.
I mean, it's wrong when they do it, right? Like when a regular, you got a regular civilian that does it, that sucks. You got the government doing that kind of stuff.
Yeah,
nothing.
They're like, oh,
oopsie, my bad.
My bad.
Oopsie, my bad. And then nothing.
Alright, here's one that got me excited. Solana at over $3,000 by 2030. The Solana network says this investment analyst thinks it's possible.
Man.
Yeah, Solana bull case projected north of $3,000, and it would be in 6 years. In 6 years, each coin's gonna be worth $3,000. Right now it's $40. Right now it's
$40.
Solana's $40 right now. So yeah.
Earlier this year it was like at $8 at the.
Yeah, it was in June.
Mm-hmm.
It was like $8. Yeah, Solana's gonna be crazy if they manage, and I could see it. Solana is faster than Bitcoin, Ethereum, Visa, and MasterCard combined.
Damn.
And then they just came up with a new one. I think I'm not sure what it was. A new update where it's gonna be even faster.
I mean, I'm just happy because if it's doing good, that means Star Atlas.
Star Atlas. So now for Star Atlas, dude. This is what got me excited, dude.
Let me see.
Hold on. Let me stop the music. I don't know if you're gonna be able to hear it or not.
I'll hear it through stream.
Alright, here goes. Alright, shut up and say.
When we dream of space, we dream of transcendence. We dream of what we might become. Just what Star Atlas is rendering
Pretty cool, right?
is a cosmos
Yeah.
in which we can
So we got a first-person shooter, and then we have something like kind of like a Mario Kart for the racers.
Yeah, like a twisted metal type thing.
Yeah.
Like
Hold on, let me put my camera back on.
like a twisted metal type thing. Dude,
Yeah,
that is
dude.
dope.
It looks cool, right?
Yeah. No, that actually looks like fun.
Let me put the music back on. I'll put this whole video in the comment section, in the description below.
You guys want to check it out? Go ahead.
You posted more stuff on Twitter, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I just closed it. How much time do we have? Or did we?
35, but I think we're almost there. We can do a couple and then do the.
Because I know the what's called this, the
We
what's
should
called
probably
the
take that off.
the FTX.
The St. Bankman-Fried. You can click on that. Yep.
Oh, by Altcoin Daily. I actually like their channel. SBF found guilty by jury on all accounts. Am I showing it? Yep. 7 out of 7. Justice has been served. Good. But I heard their parents were in on it too.
Parents, Joe Biden. I mean, dude, there's a lot of people involved. Nobody's gonna care. Nobody's gonna care.
I think we should wrap it up. I think we're good there. We're like at 30 minutes, I think, or 20 minutes, aren't we? Because we had like 12 on the whole intro.
20, yeah, like 25 minutes.
Yeah, we should wrap it up. Let's just check the
Foils.
Yeah, I know you made some money on Pepe.
Damn.
There you go. You're at negative $4 on Pepe.
Nah, I guess it's green. You know.
So Pepe's in the green. You got
First time
Cardano.
since after I bought it.
You're $1 under on Cardano. Yeah, you have a lot of losers except Bitcoin. Dude, you're up 650 on Bitcoin. So what do you wanna do with your
Bitcoin.
70?
Bitcoin.
You gotta do Bitcoin?
Absolutely Bitcoin.
Alright,
That's
so
not
I'm gonna do
don't
something
buy
risky. I'm gonna buy a meme coin.
Bitcoin. Which one?
It's gonna be a stupid one that nobody knows about.
Wait, are you gonna show it or?
Yes, I am. So let me see. Okay, so your balance is 2,380.
380.
Where's mine? My balance
Jesus.
2,700. What was yours? 300?
2380. 2380.
Okay. And they're all winners. Look at that.
400. Yeah, you got me like by 400.
All right. I am going to buy Bitcoin 2.0. It is 8 cents right now. I'm gonna do all $70 on Bitcoin 2.0. My reasoning is, I know there's dumb people out there. They're gonna see the price of Bitcoin and they're gonna feel like they lost that, and so they're gonna pick Bitcoin 2.0. Like, oh, look at how cheap it is. Let's make money, because they don't understand the whole concept behind Bitcoin and crypto altcoins. They don't know the concept. They just think it's currency. So I know they're gonna buy Bitcoin 2.0. I just know it. So I'm relying on dumbasses for me to make money on Bitcoin 2.0.
I guess that's pretty smart. You just keep keep an eye on it. When it reaches a high, just sell.
So yeah. So I do run the risk that if Bitcoin retraces back to 30,000 or even 25,000 before it bounces back up, I'm gonna lose my ass off on Bitcoin 2.0. But the potential is there to make money with Bitcoin 2.0.
Investment for sure.
Alright, so that's all I got. I'll see you guys next time. How do I close it? Okay, there it is.
Have a good night, guys. See you next week.